Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to send direct messages on Instagram. First of all, you click on the Instagram app. You'll be first led to your home page. Here you click on the icon at the top right, and then you select anyone you wish to send a message to, or you can also search here at the search tab for who you wish to send messages to, and then you click on the person's info and then you type any message of your choice. And then you click send. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.